Imagine this. You're about to leave the house, you've got your keys, your phone, your wallet. But wait, your phone is on 2% battery. Or maybe you're in the middle of an important project and suddenly your laptop dies. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you that there's a solution, and it's not just buying a new battery or a new device? What if I told you that you can restore your old batteries and save a considerable amount of money in the process? Restoring batteries is not just a cost-effective solution, it's also a sustainable one. In a world where every penny and every resource counts, battery restoration can make a significant difference. It's a simple and practical solution that can save you up to 50% of the cost of buying a new battery. Now that's a saving worth considering. Now you might be wondering, how does battery restoration work? It's a process that involves reconditioning old or dead batteries, bringing them back to life. It's not rocket science, it's a skill that anyone can learn. And the best part, it's applicable to all types of batteries, from your smartphone battery to your car battery. But the benefits of battery restoration don't stop at cost savings. By restoring your batteries, you're also contributing to a more sustainable future. Every year, billions of batteries are thrown away, ending up in landfills and harming our environment. By choosing to restore your batteries, you're reducing waste and making a positive impact on the planet. So, why should you consider battery restoration? Let's recap. It's cost-effective. You can save up to 50% of the cost of a new battery. It's a skill that anyone can learn, and it's applicable to all types of batteries. And most importantly, it's an eco-friendly choice that contributes to a more sustainable future. Are you ready to start saving money and making a positive impact? Click the link below to learn more about battery restoration and to get started on your journey towards a more sustainable and cost-effective future. Remember, every battery restored is a step towards a better tomorrow. So, click the link below and let's make a difference together.